Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we pick up at mile 190 on US-1 as we roll into Pompano Beach. Here, US-1 carries the name South Federal Highway. Pompano Beach had 112,046 residents at the 2020 census, with recent estimates placing the median household income around $63,800 and the median value of owner-occupied homes around $321,900. This is a diverse year-round coastal city with plenty to do off to the east at the beach and pier, but from US-1 you'll mostly experience the inland side of town. Lodging is easy to find along and near Federal Highway, with familiar chains clustering around major intersections, while the larger beachfront properties sit several blocks east on A1A. As we continue north, the corridor reads like a classic South Florida arterial. 6 lanes divided, landscaped medians, palm trees, auto dealers, big box pads, and neighborhood shopping centers. Broward County Transit's frequent Route 10 also runs this strip, so here and there you'll see buses making curbside stops. We come to Atlantic Boulevard, State Road 814, the city's main east-west spine and the baseline for Pompano's street grid. East on Atlantic, beyond what we'll actually see from the car, the road crosses the Intracoastal on a bascule bridge and heads to A1A and the Beach District. Here at US-1, it's an intensely commercial crossroads with supermarket plazas, restaurants, and mid-rise professional buildings. If you're hunting for a hotel, this junction and the blocks just north and south of it offer several name-brand options within a minute of the signal. As we continue, to the left is Pompano Beach Airpark, ringed by community green space that includes Pompano Community Park, the Pompano Beach Dog Park, and a municipal golf course. North of Atlantic, US-1 becomes North Federal Highway, and the landscape opens up to larger retail footprints. At Copans Road, which is northeast 23rd Street, Pompano Citi Centre sits on the left just before the intersection, with anchors and outparcels that are hard to miss from the travel lanes. As we cross northeast 24th Street, US-1 becomes the dividing line. Pompano Beach remains on the left, while Lighthouse Point begins on the right. Lighthouse Point had 10,486 residents at the 2020 census, with recent figures showing a median household income around $92,000 and a median owner-occupied home value in the mid-600,000s. The city is largely residential and canal-lined, oriented to boating with marinas and neighborhood parks tucked east of here toward the Intracoastal. On US-1 itself, you'll notice a tidier, low-rise retail edge on the Lighthouse Point side, banks, medical offices, and everyday dining. Lodging within Lighthouse Point is limited. Most travelers find hotels along this federal highway strip in Pompano and Deerfield or over by the beach areas. This area keeps a busy events calendar, including monthly Old Town Untapped evenings in the Downtown Arts District and large annual gatherings like the Pompano Beach Seafood Festival at Community Park and the AMP. In December, the Holiday Boat Parade sails up the Intracoastal through Pompano Beach, Lighthouse Point, and into Deerfield Beach. If you're planning a visit, those are easy to reach from this corridor, even if we won't see them directly from US-1 on today's drive. A bit farther north, we meet Sample Road, the eastern terminus of State Road 834. It's a major cross-town route that links Federal Highway to Dixie Highway, Powerline Road, the Turnpike, and I-95 farther west. From the driver's seat, you'll notice a wide junction with multiple turn lanes and plenty of wayfinding signs. Then we continue north on US-1. From Sample Road, it's a couple more minutes along Federal Highway with steady commercial frontage and frequent signals. We'll cruise this last stretch of North Federal Highway through North Pompano and end this segment at Northeast 54th Street, mile 196.2. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.